Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of a Python toolbox that I wrote that enables you to quickly download information from the census in GIS form. I have here a new ArcMap document with just a base layer loaded. I'm using the OpenStreetMap base layer. What I can do with this tool is I can zoom into an area of interest. I'll happen to zoom in on Rowan University's Glassboro campus in New Jersey. So now that I've zoomed into a specific area, I can use this Python toolbox to download census information based on my current extent. You can see here it is a Python toolbox and there's one tool available, Census Download by Extent. I can define my current display extent, what types of geometry I would like to download. In this case, I'd like to download tracks, block groups, and blocks. And there are some census tables available for me to download as well. In this case, I think I'll just download tracks and blocks and population and renter-occupied housing units. So I want total housing units and renter-occupied housing units. And down here, I can specify that I want to download this as my Glassboro data. It will actually append the word track and block to the end of Glassboro for each of the separate data sets. So now that I've defined I want a specific area with specific geometry types and associated tables, I can just simply run the tool. Upon running the tool, we'll see that in just a few seconds, the script will go out and talk to the TigerWeb ArcGIS server instance to download the geometries, and then the Census API in order to get the demographic information. You must specify a valid Census API key within the Python script in order for this tool to work. While it did not apparently add them to the map, if we browse to our default database, in this case, you'll see there's a Glassboro block and a Glassboro tract. And you can see now that the Glassboro block and tract have been added with demographic information. Turn off the blocks and get just the tracts. You'll see all of the information is down, and it was downloaded for you dynamically based off your extent in this case, about 15 seconds. For more information about the tool, it's available on GitHub at github.com/rowangeolab/arcgis census download. I welcome any and all suggestions or potential changes to this tool. Thanks for watching.